Child support. It's oftentimes unavoidable. So how is it calculated? The most frequently asked question I get is, will the court consider all of my other monthly expenses? And the answer is no. The only thing the law is looking at is each party's gross monthly income. Now, that's the income you receive before taxes are taken out. In Louisiana, our legislators came up with a mathematical equation to calculate child support. So once you determine your gross monthly income, then you have to see what worksheet you're going to use. In Louisiana, we have two different worksheets, a worksheet A and a worksheet B. A worksheet A is an instance where one party only gets the child, say, every other weekend.
A worksheet B is if the parties have shared 50-50 custody.
But for now, just know that when calculating child support, the most important thing is determining each party's gross monthly income. Now, another thing that us attorneys hear all the time is, well, I know so-and-so, and her husband does the same thing I do, and she gets a lot more child support than I receive. And let me tell you, there are so many varying factors that go into calculating child support that every case is different. Those factors are who pays private health insurance? Is there childcare expenses? Does the child still go to daycare? Does one party receive multiple sources of income? Does one party own a closely held business such as an LLC or a corporation? Does the payor have other child support obligations? Does the payor have other biological children that reside with them full time? Are either party contributing to a retirement account? You cannot base your child support on what your friend owes or what your friend receives. The law is very clear on how child support is to be calculated. Now, with that being said, that doesn't mean that the two of you can't come up with an agreement on your own. You can always deviate from the child support calculation once it's calculated. Child support terminates by operation of law once the child reaches the age of 18 or once the child graduates from high school, whichever occurs last. However, in any event, child support cannot extend past the child being 19, except in very limited circumstances. So as you can see, there are a lot of factors that go into calculating child support.
So whether you're requesting child support or you're being asked to pay child support, give Mayeux Law a call.